Hey everyone, I'm Donald, and today we're going to teach you the days of the week.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Non pas moi c'est Magdala. Jodi an nous pral montrer ki jan pou di jou nan semaine yo.
Get started. Monday,
Lundi,
Tuesday,
mardi,
Wednesday,
mercredi,
Thursday,
jeudi,
Friday,
vendredi,
Saturday,
samedi,
Sunday.
dimanche.
All right, next we're going to do conversations of the days of the week.
Konya nou pral fè yon konversasyon sou jou nan semaine yo.
What are you doing on Monday?
Ki sa wap fè le lundi?
Tuesday, are you available?
Le mardi, eske ou pa okipe?
Wednesday, I have to work long shift.
Le mercredi, mwen travay yon shift, mwen travay pou an tan ki long. Mwen travay pou an tan ki long.
Woo! Thursday, I'm off.
Woohoo! Jeudi, mwen pap travay, mwen gen konje.
Friday, it's payday.
Le vendredi, yo peye mwen.
Saturday, would you like to go swimming?
Samedi, esko ta reme al nage?
Sunday, it's a time to relax.
Dimanche, se tan pou nou repose nou.
That was the days of the week and an everyday conversation of each day of the week. Thank you for watching.
Se te jou nan semen yo ke nou te fè yon konversasyon avèk yo. Mersi bokou deske ou tap gade nou. E mwen kontan pou mwen moutre ou ki jan pou pale anglè. E si ou pale anglè, ou kapab itilize sa pou pale Creole.
So she's saying come back again if you want to learn English to Creole. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Give us a follow. Thank you and give us a thumbs up.
Pabliye pou banou pou reme chanel lan, pou klike sou ti bouton ki konsa ki ele like lan, e pabliye pou abone.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir.